How to add YouTube cards on PC. Adding YouTube cards to your videos is a great way to enhance viewer engagement and promote other content. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to add YouTube cards using your PC. First, open your web browser and go to the YouTube website. Ensure you're logged into your account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the YouTube Studio dashboard, where you manage your content. In YouTube Studio, click on Content in the left sidebar to access your list of uploaded videos. Find the video you want to add cards to, and click on the video title or the pencil icon next to it to open the Video Details page. Once you're on the Video Details page, look for the Editor tab in the left sidebar and click on it. This section allows you to make various edits to your video, including adding cards. Click on Cards in the upper menu within the editor to start adding new cards. To add a new card, click the plus card button. You'll see several types of cards you can choose from: video or playlist, channel, poll, and link. Select the type of card you want to add. For example, if you want to promote another video, choose the video or playlist option. After selecting the card type, you'll need to configure it. For a video or playlist card, you'll select the video or playlist you promote from your channel. For a channel card, you'll enter the URL of another channel. If you're creating a poll card, type in your question and provide answer options. For a link card, input the external URL you want to link to. Once you've configured the card, you'll need to set the timing for when it should appear in your video. Use the timeline slider to drag the card's marker to the appropriate time. This ensures the card will show up at the right moment during your video. After setting up your cards, review them to make sure everything is correct. Click Save to apply the changes to your video. Your cards are now live and will be visible to viewers as they watch your video. By following these steps, you can effectively add YouTube cards to your videos, making them more interactive and engaging for your audience.